Words that end with blends. From reading recipe. A consonant blend is 2 or 3 consonants whose sounds are pushed together. You can hear each sound, but you must listen carefully because the sounds run together or blend. For example, wolf ends with LF. The L sound may be hard to hear because it's pushed into the F sound. Let's practice.
Sk
Is a blend, as in the word mask. Do you hear the 2 sounds? Which letters make them? S, K. Let's listen for some other blends.
P, P,
The chimp can jump over the lamp.
K,
The pink skunk is in the trunk.
sk, sk.
The mask and whisk are on the desk.
St, st, st.
The vest and toast are in the nest.
Lt, lt, lt.
The salt and belt are on the quilt.
Nt, nt, nt.
The ant can paint the tent.
Ft, ft, ft.
The girl can lift the gift.
Lf, lf, lf.
The elf and wolf are on the shelf.
L, d, l, d, l, d.
The child finds gold in the field.
D, d, d.
My friend has her hand in the pond. What's the blend at the end of the word trunk? Trunk. What's the blend at the end of tent? Tent. What's at the end of lamp? Lamp. What's at the end of nest? Nest. What's at the end of gold? Gold. What's at the end of shelf? Shelf. What's at the end of pond? Pond.